now includes the following counties in Texas: Dallas, Ellis, and Tarrant. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area.